It's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I did a swatch party here on my channel. So to break that hiatus, I'll be swatching and reviewing yung pinakabagong release ng Filipinas, which is yung Kolor Matte Lipstick nila. So without any further ado, let's proceed to the swatch party. I'm gonna be rating the shades from 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest score and 5 being the highest. So the first shade that we have here is yung Pahiyas. And yung Pahiyas, ito yung pinaka-lightest color nila, medyo baby pink na ganun na vibe. Usually, I like the shade, but siguro dahil medyo nagtan ako, medyo hindi ko siya bet ngayon. For now, I'm gonna give it a 3. The next shade that we have is Sinulog. Parang sister shade siya ng Pahiyas kasi medyo similar sila. Pero yung Sinulog medyo nudish pink naman siya. Fleshy nude. Parang ganun yung vibe niya. And I like shades like this because it's not really like an obvious pink. Parang may a hint of pink lang siya. So this is a good shade for me. I'm gonna give it a 5. The next shade naman is Kadayawan, and it's actually the shade that I'm wearing right now. This is not the shade that I would really lean towards when it comes to buying online or maybe picking it up as an everyday lippy. But for some reason today, girl, I look good, I feel it, I like it on me. Maybe because yung pagka-deep orange niya nagko-complement well sa deep green top that I'm wearing right now. It's such a good color. Parang, it's so good na parang bibigyan ko siya ng 5, pero I know that I wouldn't wear this as an everyday lippy. I wouldn't buy this at the mall. I would still buy nude lippies for me. Usually, I'd give the shade a 2, but for today, then I'm gonna give it a 5. Fourth shade naman is Panagbenga, and it's actually a really good shade. This is something that I would recommend to Morena girls out there who are looking for a good pink lipstick that isn't too striking and isn't too pale, na magko-complement well talaga sa skin color nyo. This is really a really good shade. So for me, I'm gonna give it a 5. Fifth shade naman ay Dinagyang. So, if si Pahiyas tsaka si Sinulog, parang sister sila, yung second pair of sisters naman ay si Kadayawan tsaka si Dinagyang. Parang sila yung magkapatid. And medyo a little bit toned down yung shade niya. Last but not the least, the shade Mascara. Comment down below if you're from Bacolod, B-Town girl, what's up? Let's link up. Anyway, this shade is also really good. It's like a burnt brick-ish burgundy type of shade. It's really good. I highly recommend it sa mga Morenas and deep Morenas, or any girl out there who just wants to flaunt that parang boss kind of vibe na parang, because I feel like people who wear these shades are dependable people and they're just very sexy and they're very grounded for some reason. Yan yung napipick up ko sa shade na to. So if you are that person, yes, this shade is for you. You vibe with this shade. And sadly for me, I don't think I'm dependable or mature. That's why I don't really vibe with the shade. So I'm gonna give this shade, for me personally, a 3, just because I don't vibe with the shades. I vibe with a nude, peachy kind of shades, yung mga fresh poppin'. So it just means like I'm not mature and dependable. But if you are, you will love this shade. It's really good. So that was the swatch party. If you enjoyed it, please do like this video. And by the way, guys, before we proceed to the review, if you have any makeup or beauty questions that you have for me, you can always message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeupbybooya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo Fam community, we have a Facebook group and a Discord server. You can click the links to those groups in the description box below. Lastly, a little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. And that commission will really help sustain and grow this channel. So if you like my content and you want to support it, then that is one way to support my channel other than liking, subscribing, and of course, sharing my videos. Alright, so now let's proceed to the review. So yung claims nila sa Kolor na matte lipstick nila ay meron siyang matte finish, creamy application, non-drying, and highly pigmented, and wearable daw yung shade. For the matte finish, yes, I totally agree na matte finish naman siya. It's a pretty matte. You would think na parang liquid lipstick yung in-apply nyo sa lips nyo. Parang maganda yung finish. As in, I really love it. Now, for their second claim naman na creamy application, yung experience ko kasi sa mga ibang lipsticks kagaya ng sa soft matte, ng Squad Cosmetics, or sa powder pouts, ng Detail, or sa fluff mattes ng Sunny's Face, one swipe pa lang, creamy talaga at hindi mo na kailangan triple swipe. Medyo reasonable pa kapag mag-double swipe. Pero kapag nag-triple or kapag naka-apat na ako ng swipe just to apply, just to get that color payoff and that rich texture, for me, medyo parang off ako doon. So for the Kolor na lipstick, I felt the need na kailangan makatatlo or maka-apat or kahit makalimang swipe bago ko makuha yung creamy, rich texture and the color payoff that I want, and also the coverage that I want. Kailangan ko pang i-warm up yung lipstick sa back of my hand para lang makuha ko yung color payoff na gusto ko from this lipstick. Normal naman yun sa mga makeup products na sometimes kailangan mo siyang i-warm up, pero usually na-encounter ko lang yun sa mga highlighters or maybe foundations or contour sticks, but not really lipsticks. Medyo magasto siya sa product unless nagagamitan mo yung product na nandito sa kamay mo as a blush. And also, yung feeling niya sa lips ay manipis siya. It really feels like yung Squad Cosmetics na soft matte na consistency. But yung maganda dito, I feel like this lipstick is long-lasting. Although for the longevity test, I'll be doing it on my Instagram stories. But I think it's safe to assume that this lipstick is long-lasting kasi kahit manipis siya, parang kapit na kapit siya sa lips. Pero it's not the kind of kapit na nagda-dry out ng lips mo or emphasizes the lip creases. Not at all. It doesn't dry out your lip. For their next claim naman na non-drying, surprisingly, mag-a-agree ako doon even though yung stick nila is medyo matigas. It's not drying at all sa lips and it's very lightweight. I like it. Fourth claim nila is highly pigmented daw yung lipsticks. And I will have to agree only when it comes to the deep shades, kagaya ng Kadayawan, Dinagyang, tsaka Mascara. And that's the thing. I feel like when it comes to reviewing the color payoff or the coverage of a lipstick line, you'll know if it's good when first wipe pa lang ng lighter shades, full agad yung coverage and maganda yung color payoff. Because it's easy to get away with the deeper shades, but when it comes to the lighter shades naman, dun mo agad masaspot if maganda yung color payoff o hindi. And for their last claim naman na wearable daw yung shades nila, I definitely agree kasi may pagpipilian talaga yung Mestizas, Morenas, and people in between like me. So that's it for the swatch party and review of the PINAS Kolor Matte Lipstick. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments section below. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more makeup or beauty questions for me, don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's @makeup by Booya. My DMs open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. If you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.